Pig. George's train ride. George is going on a long train journey with Daddy Pig to test some concrete. Peppa and Mummy Pig have come too. Choo choo, cries George. He loves riding on the train. Full steam ahead, shouts Miss Rabbit, the train driver. Are we nearly there yet? Asks Peppa. No, Peppa, says Daddy Pig, laughing. We won't get there until tomorrow morning. But where will we sleep? Asks Peppa. Here, says Daddy, pressing a button. Suddenly, 4 beds appear. Magic beds, gasps Peppa. Mummy Pig presses another button that opens a secret door. And a magic bathroom, gasps Peppa, peeking inside. Choo choo, cries George. He loves the magic train. Splush! I wonder what this is for, says Daddy Pig, pressing another button. Daddy found the magic shower, says Peppa, giggling. Everyone puts in their pyjamas. Peppa and George hop into their beds. Choo choo, cries George. He loves sleeping on the train. In the morning, Miss Rabbit serves breakfast. Aren't you meant to be driving the train, Miss Rabbit? Asks Daddy Pig. It's fine, says Miss Rabbit. The train runs on rails. It can't get lost. Choo choo, cheers George. He loves eating on the train. Soon after breakfast, the train arrives at the station. A big crowd is waiting for Daddy Pig. Daddy Pig gets off the train and taps some concrete. Thunk, thunk. Very good, he says. And the crowd cheers. My work is done, says Daddy Pig. Let's take the train home. Goody, says Peppa. We can sleep on the train again. Choo choo, cheers George. He loves the train. Everyone loves the choo choo train. Choo choo. The end.